for their backup. As soon as two more cars get here, they're gonna jump his ass. See all this? You see they can't even do a takedown without a mob mentality. And look at where's all of your backup? They left you holding the bag. What happens if that guy decides he's going to go crazy? Yeah, hard. Can I say one thing? Watch how fast they grow their balls. Watch how fast they grow their balls when the backup shows up. They're scared shitless. They got
Hey y'all, Officer Karen and Charles Wallace Hanson IV and I downtown conducted essential business, and we saw all these cops out in front of BPD, and we're not sure what's going on, but homeboy's getting loud over there. So I'm gonna slither over there where maybe I'll be able to hear what's going on. Let me see if we can, you know, you can stop in the middle of the street, but I wouldn't recommend it. Some people do it. They're just hoping to survive it. But we're going to see what's going on over here. I figured you guys would be able to hear better. Now remember, this is where they're not ADA friendly. All the handicapped people, when they want to come down and conduct essential business at BPD, they have to park on the ends of the street. There's no parking in front. So we're just going to see what's going on down here. Oh, here you go. Here's a savior.
Are you family? Ma'am? Are you family? Here? Ma'am? Are you the mother? Yes, I have them from tomorrow. Ma'am? Yes or no?
I'm a law-abiding citizen.
Okay, so you're not...
I'm in a public space.
We're waiting for his
okay, well,
ex-wife.
I'm in a public space. No.
Okay.
So what I'd like to know just as a concerned citizen, is how many police officers it takes for apparently a child custody exchange if he's this dangerous or he's this triggered. I mean, but yet they're worried about the law dog.
They have their own lawyer. I have my own lawyer. I have multiple lawyers. What do you need? Okay, what do you need? Before I come, I'm not trying to understand. What do you need? I would like to have a conversation without my lawyer, but I'm going to call him right now. What do you need? I definitely want my lawyer. You don't come here, but I'll call him. I want. Oh my God! I have to go to find my lawyer.
Charles got triggered whenever that officer came over. So I've been giving him the thumbs up so he knows everything's all right. Oh yeah, well, I want to have a conversation with her mom right now. Oh, okay, of course. Yeah. Well, she'll be here in 10 minutes, she said. Or she's gonna. She'll either be here in 10 minutes or she's gonna. We'll find out. I would love it. I would love that more than anything. More than anything, I would love that.
I don't have a pregnancy for that, but we can have it.
Anywhere where it has to happen. Cool.
Yeah, hey, Abad, good question.
This way.
I've already sued the school.
Linda.
I have 3 lawsuits. There's no more to stop.
Um,
10 minutes. Do whatever you need to do. I care about their safety above anything else.
Sir, you want to give an interview with us about what's going on?
Sure, absolutely.
Yeah. So tell us what's going on,
so
sir.
my daughter's been being abused for 6 years now.
Oh my
I've reported
gosh.
this to these guys.
Oh my
I've reported it
gosh.
to the school.
No
I've reported
way.
it to everywhere in Bakersfield.
Oh
I don't
my
even live in
gosh.
Bakersfield.
Oh.
I live in San Diego.
Oh.
And then so for whatever reason, the Bakersfield Police Department has a hard on for me. I don't know why.
Let me just tell you who I am, sir. I can't give legal advice, but they'll never beat my price. I'm who everybody has dubbed Officer Karen Law Dog. And what I do, sir, is I expose corruption
There's a lot of corruption here.
incompetence in Killing County, Kern. So much, sir, that the district attorney filed a red flag gun violence restraining order against me, even though I've never broken any laws. And I've had 2 law enforcement officers file for restraining orders against me, alleging that they're afraid of me. Yes, absolutely. This police department, I've been pulled over numerous times, selectively enforced against. They're wasting taxpayers' dollars, but yet here, sir, you sound like you have a legitimate concern about the health, safety, and well-being of your young minor children, and it's being ignored. And I feel for you.
Only people that don't care about it are the Bakersfield Police Department.
You do know that there was a Hulu docuseries called Killing County, right?
No, I don't.
Oh, sir, you got to check that out.
For sure.
Killing County. This county has been dubbed the Lords of Bakersfield, where they exercise mean justice against people who criticize or expose their incompetence and their corruption.
Makes sense.
Do you know that our former 2nd District Board Supervisor was caught sexually penetrating his minor daughter for a period of 10 minutes? And the district attorney, it's her nephew, by the way, and his mother is a Kern High School District board member, still sits in that position. The man never went to jail. He's currently receiving a diversion. He has 30 guns in his car, or I'm sorry, in his house. Mushrooms, he was under the influence of mushrooms, and that young child has never received any justice. And that happens right here in Kern County.
Makes sense. Yeah, their mother is a Kern County public official, which is why this is happening.
Oh, it all becomes clear.
Where's Clara?
It all becomes clear. Sir, I am so sorry that you're being subjected to this. What else would you like to share?
It's been going on for 6 years. I have through the courts, through the schools, through the police. I mean, I have this all documented up and down on every single level possible. I have documentation of this on every level. Like at this point, all I do is document.
And then they feel like they have to soften you up.
Yeah, exactly.
With 3 law enforcement officers. And they're just waiting.
Exactly,
for that
for anything.
opportunity.
Yeah.
Absolutely. And how do we know? That's my disabled significant other over there. He's a veteran. They've picked him up and taken him to jail 3 times.
Makes sense.
They took me to jail and my 100% service-connected disabled veteran son to jail in 2024. And they just offset my franchise tax board tax refund. Extortion.
Yeah.
I mean, it's RICO, sir. We make the city of Bell look like Mr. Rogers' neighborhood.
Yeah, for sure. I agree.
I'm so sorry, but you know what? I'm willing, for your own protection, sir, to keep this rolling. Just in case they try to say that you did or said something, because they love to do that.
Well, I'm sure. Yeah.
And we'll see if we can't get this resolved.
Thank you. That's all I can ask for.
Absolutely.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Hey, one law-abiding citizen to another. United we stand.
That's all we can do is
Divided
follow the
we
law,
fall.
for
That's
sure.
right.
Yeah.
Guess who I hear's on his way here?
Yeah.
Oh. We're in a public
I can talk
space.
to him for a second.
Oh, do you object, sir?
No,
I
I
think
don't object.
he doesn't object. He just said he doesn't
Some-
object.
Personal stuff for you, and I don't know if we can put all that.
I'm pretty public at this point.
He's public.
So what's your custody order?
Yeah, our custody is split 50-50. Straight up 50-50 down the middle. I'm currently suing her for 100% legal. Our next court date is April 7th. The judge is pissed as shit at her, ready to throw the book at her. Literally just talked to the judge.
What day do you pick
I picked them up yesterday.
up? Okay, you just picked them up.
I just picked them up yesterday. I lifted up her leg, saw that, here we are.
Okay, and then
Poor baby girl.
So I get them 33% of the time basically. So I get them every 10 days. So Wednesday to Monday, I drop them off on Monday. Second I drop them off, I go back home to San Diego. I come up here Wednesday morning. Literally, I only come up here the day that I have to pick them up.
Is this mom?
Oh yeah, that's mom. There we go. Yes.
Oh, let's
Hey.
get her. Let's get her. Hey, remember, you don't want them. Hey, I can't give legal advice, but you don't want them to have anything on them. You're in a public
You're in a public
space.
space, ma'am.
You don't have to consent.
I'm Gosa. Nice to meet you. So this contains her PHI. You can't record.
Well, you're
that.
in a
That's
public
HIPAA
space.
violation.
Ask them to
It's
go
a HIPAA
inside.
violation.
You're in a public space. Don't talk about anything that you feel would breach anybody's confidentiality, but you are in a public space. I don't need your permission. You could go inside. You could go in a car.
Consent to be recorded at all.
You don't have to have consent in a public space. It's a constitutional right. Might want to look into that. There you go. That's how you take care of that.
The cuts happen every single day, the day before I pick them up. Only at her mother's house. She is literally the only one where this has ever happened in front of.
And then you just noticed the cutting yesterday.
No. Look at her arms and legs. There are cuts all over her arms and legs. Every single time that I've picked them up for 3 months now, there's new ones. That's why we're here.
And then this is the whole time.
No. This is not like here. According to you guys, all of these reports, there's no abuse. No abuse.
Wow.
All of these reports found it zero abuse going on. I have you on camera saying the same thing. One of your officers saying that all of those reports show zero abuse.
Man, I've been arrested for less. Oh my
I've been
God.
arrested for sending her a message using the wrong application.
Oh my God. Imagine the irony. I hope you're going to protect those children. You are a mandated reporter, sir.
Are you too, ma'am?
Excuse me?
Are you a mandated reporter at all?
I'm a private citizen now. I'm a retired mandated reporter. Every time I mandate, everybody says the same thing he's saying. There's nothing to see here. Nothing to see here. That's typical for Killing County Kern. But that's okay. The investigations are coming. RICO lawsuits have been filed. Sir, I am so sorry that your children have to be subjected to this.
Me too.
But I feel you. It's what they do. It's a racket. It's a long-term scam. They run you down rabbit holes. They make you do minors counsel. They make you do a court-ordered investigation. They make you pay thousands of dollars for attorneys.
I've paid $300,000 to get to where I'm at.
Are you kidding? Wow, sir. And I would love to know who the public mom is there. Hey, maybe one of my followers knows who that woman is over there.
Her name is Chelsea Gibbons Ross.
Chelsea Gibbons Ross. Can you give us a little background?
Yeah, so her family, her grandfather was the Supreme Court Justice, the head of the courts for Kern County. That's why the whole thing is here. She's got massive family backing.
Wow. And so she should definitely know that I don't need her consent to record in a public space, but yet she tried to do that. Folks, please remember, I can't give legal advice. They'll never beat my price. But when you are in a public space, I mean, come on, look at every street corner. The only problem is with those cameras, it takes a court order. It's called it's a Freedom of Information Act, California Public Records Request. And you know what they tell you 99.9% of the time? You're going to have to get a court order to see it. Why? Because it's going to show something dirty. That's why. This man has a piece of paper that's called record evidence of all the reports that he's made that these children are being abused while in the custody of their mother, and nothing's been done about it. Let me go check on Charles real quick, sir.
Sounds good. Thank you.
You are so welcome, and don't be afraid to use, again, this isn't legal advice, but this is what I would do. You're in a public space, my man. I would be recording, because they're going to try to set you up just like they've done to me. And I'm going to tell you what, right now, if it weren't for this right here, my ass would be grass and they'd be the lawnmower instead of the other way around. But anyway, let me go check on my disabled significant other. Hashtag follow the journey if you do social media. Again, united we stand, divided we fall. It's all about the people that can't speak for themselves. Disabled, youth, elderly. Oh, yeah, they want you inside now. All right, sir. All right, they're going to take that off the books now, but hey, you heard it. They're going to do something dirty in there, I'm sure. And see, me? And I couldn't tell them this? I wouldn't have gone in there. I would have kept my action right outside where it could be recorded, because now they got him inside there. God only knows what they're going to do or say, and homeboy's going to end up. And meanwhile, those kids are outside. The irony right here in Killing County, Kern. See, folks, we got to stick together. We have absolutely got to stick together. Excuse me. Excuse me. Come on, don't act like you ain't never belched. Again, what you see is what you get. I am who I am. Like it or lump it. That poor guy, I couldn't tell him. I would have never gone inside. I would have never gone inside.
You went inside?
Yep.
Oh, he ain't coming out.
They did that so that there wouldn't be a recording.
Yep.
Fly Girl apparently is influential or has influence in the community.
Okay, well, we'll find out.
It's
who she
been
is.
nothing but
Pick her
a
out
battle.
of the lineup, y'all.
Those children are coming back with all kinds of cuts and they're cutting, yeah.
Oh, the kids are self-mutilating?
And the mother apparently isn't on top of it's a mess.
Oh, yeah, they got
It's a mess.
Yeah,
but anyway, you saw it here first, folks. This is how it happens. Did you see homeboy coming over there trying to
be all hard with his dick and
trying
all.
to muscle?
He has a bald head.
And
He ain't got a dick.
remember, I don't have to. Again, this is not legal advice, folks, but you do not even have to answer their questions.
Yeah.
That's called the Fifth Amendment.
Yep.
My license plate says the Fifth.
The fifth.
Okay? You don't have to say shit. But he kept pressing when he finally said, "Are you the mother?" Almost as if, okay, maybe you just want. All right, so I answered. But yeah, you saw how he was trying to soften me up. That's what I call that.
Oh, yeah, he ain't softening shit up.
But-
I mean, they knew they got him. It's just they had to get him away from you. But I'm sure you got at least 30 minutes worth of
Oh, we got some good material. And that old Fly Girl was sitting there saying, "You don't have my right. You don't have the right to record me."
Oh, one
You're
of
in a
them?
public
Oh, yeah,
space.
You're not going to make it past
Man,
the first visit
people
from
don't-
CPS.
Anyway, we out here.
Yeah, well, wow, look at them. Look at them. Honk your horn. Now, you go get back to you getting back on your Zimmer tit now, okay?
Okay, honey.
2 more years.
Honey.
You got 2 more years to fix yourself.
Okay, honey. He's a young one. Maybe he's innocent and
Oh,
hasn't.
no, he's going to get all
Honey,
hard. He has to look
maybe-
hard because he's going to get his ass
Honey,
kicked by Baldy.
Maybe he hasn't been corrupted yet.
Well, no,
You
but
have to,
he's already
honey.
trying. You can already tell he's not going to be helpful. Baldy told him to walk over to the car. I got something to say to this
You should have
motherfucker.
heard Baldy try to get homeboy to talk privately, and I said, "You're in a public space."
Yeah.
And then homeboy said, "Hey, you're in a public space." I said, "You want me to document?" He says, "I want her to document."
Bam! You got it on video?
Yeah.
And that's how it works.
That's
people.
how it works, folks.
We were just going home.
Yeah,
I'm
we were
hungry
just
now.
going home, and we
Now
saw.
I'm kind of fucking hungry.
Okay, we're out of here.
Bye, everybody.